Hey, I'm Rochelle from the Mary Madden blog, and if you are struggling to keep your home clean, you are not alone. I am going to show you how I keep my home clean with 3 under 3, and it is possible, but you will have certain strategies that you have to uphold. Let's get started.
When you're a mom to little ones, it can almost feel impossible to clean your home because of different seasons that your little ones are in, or your mental bandwidth and how much energy that you may have. And first of all, I just want to say don't feel like you have to have a spotless home. I'm going to go over three key points, key strategies really to keep your home clean when you have little ones. So the first one is do things in piecemeal. I'm taking a steamer to our tile floor, and no, I don't do this on a weekly basis. I don't even do this on a monthly basis. I'm actually doing a project on our tile floor to get the grout clean, and I can link to my other video where I show how to get tile clean. But because of that, I wanted to try to really get the floor clean. So that's why I busted this out. And so this is not normal, but I'm not able to deep clean the entire kitchen and dining room floors, but I can do it in piecemeal. So the last couple of days, I've just been taking it kind of like tile by tile and doing whatever I can with the time I have. And I'm a big fan of good enough. And another one of the strategies I'm going to go over today is progress, not perfection. I'm not looking to have a spotless home, to have every room in my house perfectly clean every single day, because it's impossible. There's not enough hours in the day, and I want to prioritize what is important. So, one way that I keep my home clean and stay on top of chores during the week is I use to my advantage the time that my babies are napping. So I do as much as I can when they're napping, and when they wake up, I stop cleaning and I spend time with them. But I'm not going to hold myself to an unreasonable standard of keeping my home clean when I have 2-year-old twins and a 6-month-old baby. It doesn't have to be that way. So do things in piecemeal. Go for progress, not perfection. So work on your home a little bit at a time, whatever you can get done, even if it's only an hour a day to clean. And also progress, not perfection. So you'll be doing a little bit better each day with what you have. The next strategy I want to go over is project prioritization. So every day, try to come up with what projects you want to prioritize for the day. And sometimes, if not all the time, you get derailed. You have an idea of what you want to get done for the day, and sometimes it just does not happen. And that's okay. But something simple like making your bed can help make you feel accomplished. But if it doesn't happen, that's okay. Sometimes, you have other pressing matters that you need to attend to first, and that's okay. So, for example, laundry happens, or there's an accident or a stain on the clothes, and I have to take care of those immediately, or else, it's just a matter of time. And so, I'll go and take care of the accident and the clothing and focus my attention on that. So, some projects require more priority than others. So that could be prioritizing washing the dishes, washing the laundry, because you know that you are going to be cooking every day. You're going to be wearing clothes every day. So that will help you kind of have an idea of like what your day is going to be looking like. Now, throughout my journey of motherhood, of being pregnant with twins, and then just pregnant with a singleton, but having 1.5 year olds when I was pregnant, my energy levels were not how they normally are. So that can be discouraging because I'm someone who loves a challenge and I love being busy, I love being productive. But when you're pregnant, your energy level and productivity levels plummet. At least I did. And it was just for a season, but it's frustrating when there's lots of dishes in the sink and you just can't keep on top of things and you just want to be in bed all day because you feel sick. And that is okay. It is just for a season. You are creating a human life and you need to be gentle on yourself. And then guess what? When you're postpartum and your body is still going through all these emotions and you've just had this huge hormonal drop off and you're caring for this precious teeny one and you're figuring out sleep, you're not going to have a clean house, just period. And that's okay. If you can get help, that's great. But if there's dishes in the sink and laundry that's still hasn't been folded and is piling up in the basket, that's okay. So I think just giving permission to know that your home isn't always going to be perfectly put together and your to-do list isn't going to be done. I mean, even though I have like many different cleaning projects around the house, like there's still stuff on the countertops and things that need to be put away and things that need to be actioned. And so that is totally normal because with three under three, there's not enough hours in the day to get everything done. And I try to remember whatever I say no to, I'm saying yes to something else, and vice versa. Whatever I'm saying yes to, I'm saying no to something else. So if I am saying yes to playing with my little ones and snuggling my baby, I am saying no to the dishes, and that's perfectly fine. So I also maximize time where they're napping or at bedtime, or when my husband gets home and he likes to spend time with them and play with them, and I can, maybe get some chores done during bath time. But it's another great way to keep your home clean and help manage it is just to be kind of protective of what you are bringing inside your home and trying to have be minimalist as much as possible. You don't have to be extreme, but just make sure that you're not creating more and more inventory to manage in this busy season. Just being honest with yourself and being careful of not buying extra things that are just going to turn into clutter or you may not even use is just a great way when you're in this busy season of just less things to take care of and manage. So I hope you found today's video helpful. Again, the 3 tips and strategies for keeping a clean home is do things in piecemeal, prioritize projects, and always progress, not perfection. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.